Hello everyone, hope you're doing all right. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Wikipedia. So if you look here, you would see that I want to search for data science. So it's in the search box. I'm going to click on the search. Once it opens, let's say I want to read. I like what I see here about data science. It says data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods and all of that. Now I like what I see here. Alright, so the thing is, you cannot quote from the Wikipedia, but you can quote from the references there, like this definition here about data science. You will notice that there are two references there, that is 1 and 2. So to do that, what I do is I encourage students, you don't quote from the Wikipedia, but you can get it from the references. So I'm going to click on the number 1 reference there. Now it takes me to the reference list, and here is the website on how to get access to that particular reference. So I'm going to just go ahead and also click on that. So once it brings me here, you would see that it has brought me to a journal site, which is communications of the ACM. Alright, so this now becomes where I can get the actual article that I need. Now looking at this side, I can go ahead and download or view this document in a PDF file. Document is downloaded. I'm going to open it up. So this is the actual document. So from this I can cite this particular document here, which is the name of the person here. This is the person I'll be quoting as this is Da Vasanda. So this is the author of the document. So students cannot cite the Wikipedia. So there is nothing wrong in using Wikipedia. What is wrong is quoting or citing the Wikipedia website. But just like I did show you, you can get access to lots of articles through Wikipedia, just the way I had shown you. So I encourage you, you can go ahead and use Wikipedia, but you are not allowed to quote or cite the Wikipedia. But through the referencing list and all of that, you can gain access, alright, to the Wikipedia. You can also get direct PDF document depending on what you're looking at. You can see here 50 years of data science. This is a PDF. That is, it gives you straight the article, the document itself. However, if you don't have such PDF attached to it, you can go straight to the website and download the documents. Do not forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and drop your comment. Let me know what you want to see in the next video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.